Check out Mr. Toughbot, ready for anything. But are you ready for anything, Optimus Prime?
I am, Micronus. I have overcome all the challenges you and the other Primes have presented me with.
Trust me, the tests we've used to train you here in our realm are nothing compared to what you'll face once you're on Earth.
So you keep saying, yet you will provide few details regarding my mission, or anything else. This new sword, for example.
The Prime Decepticon Hunter is much more than just a sword. But since you're so impatient... your test is to climb this hill.
Surely it cannot be that simple. You brought defenseless humans to the realm of the Primes?
An Intellectivot, you're definitely not. They're not defenseless, Optimus. They have you.
Bringing innocence to this realm is insane, Micronus.
You think you'll never find yourself in an insane situation? Better check your expectation meters.
Micronus, I cannot pass this test by employing this weapon merely as a sword. Tell me what else it can do.
Learning to handle a new weapon, protecting human lives, facing off against a powerful threat. It sure is a lot to deal with, isn't it, Optimus?
Micronus, you must help me. How do I unlock the sword's full potential? No test is worth the loss of human life, Micronus. Humans are our friends, not our playthings. Go. Micronus, I will not reach the human. Please, help me!
Before this test began, you were focused on your mission on Earth. After the test began, you were focused on battling the enemy. But Optimus, what was the test?
The humans. None of them were real. But why?
You needed to believe they were real, so the test could deliver the proper lesson. Focus will mean everything amidst the storm to come, Optimus. You're going to be faced with all manner of distractions, from trivial to personal to life-threatening.
The center of the storm is always still. And it's easiest to find a solution from there.
Shall we get back to your training?